Hi there, welcome to the video tutorial on Timeline and Spend Down, Warchest's brand new tools to help you win. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of these tools. First, go ahead and navigate over to the Timeline page using the left-hand menu in Warchest. This page allows you to track the course of your campaign month by month or week by week. At the top of this page, you'll see a header with some different information. By default, you'll see projected raise, projected spend, difference, and your ending cash on hand. Projected raise is the sum of any actual contributions in your selected time period, plus any cash flow or finance plan projections in your selected time period. Projected spend is the sum of any actual disbursements in your selected time period, plus any budget projections in your selected time period. Your difference is projected spend minus projected raise. And your ending cash on hand is your calculated cash on hand at the end of the time period you have selected. If you ever forget how any of this information is calculated, you can also click those little eye icons. Right under those new header numbers, you'll see our brand new date switcher. The active date range will always be highlighted in blue, and you can easily switch between different date ranges by clicking the buttons here. For instance, if I want to view the entire campaign cycle, I can just go ahead and click All. And if I want to view a specific date range, I can just click the dates by the little calendar icon and change to my liking. Under the header, we have a selection of cards which will show you the months or weeks in your selected time period. Each card will again have the information displayed at the top, but for each month or week. To view different information at the top, or to switch between months and weeks, simply click the toggle button next to the date range. If you'd like a detailed breakdown of information in each month or week listed, you can go ahead and click the card you'd like to see, and you'll be taken directly to Spend Down. Spend Down can also be accessed by clicking on the left menu bar, but accessing it from the timeline allows you to easily go from one page to another. Spend Down is designed to give you an entirely new budgeting and cash flow experience, which allows you to see how cash flow and budget expenses interact with each other in real time. At the top of Spend Down, you'll see the same information displayed in Timeline, and you can choose any date range to display here as well. If you change the header on Timeline, it will change on Spend Down as well. Below that, within our selected date range, we can go between budget projections, disbursements, cash flow, finance projections if we have that on, and contributions. You can easily edit or delete any information on this page by clicking the little pen to paper icon by a specific entry. So let's say I want to push a media expense to right after the end of the quarter. I can easily do this on Spend Down by clicking the little edit button, changing the date, and clicking save. Now my immediate expense has been moved to the next date, and this change will be reflected throughout the app. You can also add entirely new data on this page. For instance, suppose I know I will be receiving a large set of donations from an upcoming email. I can click over to the Finance Plan Projections tab, and I can click Add New Finance Plan Projection. I'll fill out the information of that projection, and I'll hit the Save button. Note that the header at the top has been updated to reflect this new projection, and the left-hand table no longer shows me going in the red at the earlier date. Now I'm going into the red at a later date. Any changes made here on Spend Down are made everywhere. So if we go back to the dashboard, we can see every change we've just made. Spend Down is a powerful tool created with the help of user feedback. And if you have any feedback about this tool or anything else in Warchest, please let us know.